Alright, you're welcome to class. I will be teaching on the application of these tools here and the use of this menu bar. How to use them for different documents, how to apply them to your document. So let's start. First of all, this is a 4x4 inches space, workspace. Okay, so I will be drawing a rectangular shape that will cover this 4x4 inches. So I will be drawing a 4x4 inches rectangular shape. As I said, this is a rectangular tool. That's a rectangular tool. So you can see it is a rectangular tool. So you double click on it, like right click, left click 2 times on it. So it will show your tool here. So then I've explained the functionalities of these tools in previous tutorial. So I will not be going far on explaining the tools. What I want to explain is the application of these tools. Okay, so click your pick tool, they will resize. So I want to centralize this shape. Press P on my keyboard. So I'll choose a color. There, left, right click. So double click on the rectangular shape tool again. Okay, press your check. Okay, it's there. So I think it's more than one. So we'll delete this one. Okay, press your P to centralize. Press your P to centralize. Now, if you notice something, this shape is on top. The rectangular shape was just selected, just drawn. So how do you take this one back to this one, to be at the back of this one? So let's press our P to centralize it. All you need to do is just right click. You come to order, then you take it back one, that is one step back. See, so that's it. There we add color to it, add white, make it white, then you right click. So the reason why I'm putting this big border here, this is a big border here, which is 60% black, is because I don't want this workspace here to be reflecting on my work. So I want to see my work clearly. So that's why I just have to draw this black 60% black border big, so I will be seeing my job. So I'll be explaining these tools one by one. Okay, some of them I've touched them in my last class, so just go and watch my last class video for my last class, then you understand better. So I won't touch all, so I'll touch few of them. The few I will touch, you understand the rest of them. So I want to make use of this shape too. Okay, I want to make use of this shape too. To make use of this shape too, I want to draw a rectangular shape. So I will click on this tool. Now I cannot edit this shape. Why? Because the shape is not converted to curve yet. This tool can only work on curves. Okay, to edit curve, as you can see, is to edit curve. See the right up here. If you hover it, said edit a curve object or test character by manipulating nodes. So this tool can only work on curves and text. So to convert this shape to curve, you right click, convert to curve. So you can see it's already converted to curve here, as you can see. So with these 4 knots here, let me zoom out, sorry. So 32, with these 4 knots here, you can manipulate this shape. So let me rearrange the shape. Sorry. Let me zoom. So you can rearrange the shape. So I want to delete this knot here. Then I will convert this straight line to curve. So with this angle pointer, you can reshape your shape to your satisfaction. Sorry. So I'll leave it like that. I'm okay with that. So I'll just drag it. Okay. So I'll resize it. Okay. Then I want to add color to it. So let's choose the orange color. So remove this black border. Let's click. Okay. Then I want to adjust the lithium. To adjust, so you click on this tool to adjust. So I want to adjust this a little upward. Then I want to adjust this a little. Okay, it's okay. Okay. So that's for that tool. That's how you use that tool. This one is crop tool. I've explained before, to crop your object. So it's used to crop your object. This is your zoom, to zoom particular place. So you zoom out. Okay. Now if you look very carefully, you see this place is not properly arranged. So to arrange it, click on this, drag it. So that's it there. That's your zoom key. So we are arranged. So that's the use of a zoom key. Why this is to to drag your workspace to the direction you want. Just left click and hold your left click and just be dragging. So that's for that too. Why? Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, this tool, just freehand tool, allows you to draw any kind of line you want to draw. So delete that. To draw a straight line, you hold your control on your keyboard, you left click your mouse, then you drag your mouse to any direction you want. Still hold your control so you can draw a straight line. Then when you get to the point you want to draw it to, you left click again. So that's it. That's what that too. This is your artistic media. What this one does is that it gives you beautiful shapes to design your work. You can change the size, style and everything. You can change it. So you can change the style here. So you can increase it here, you can decrease it here. So that's what that tool. This one is a rectangular tool which I'm using now, which I've explained. These are ellipse tools to draw your circle, a round circle. As you can see, this circle is not perfectly drawn, so it's not in perfect shape. To make it be in perfect shape, hold your control, then you draw, you give a perfect shape. Hold your control, then you hold your left click and just drag, give you a perfect shape. So if you are not holding your control, it will not give you a perfect shape. Okay, that's what that's over there. So let's delete this tool, delete this, let's delete. So that's what that tool is there. Next one is polygon. So to draw shapes. These are shape tools. So these are polygon shapes. Under this polygon you have other shapes. You have star, complex star, graph paper, spiral. So you have basic shape, arrows, different arrows. As you can see, you can select arrow here, different arrows here. You can select anyone you want. So that's what that tool. Then under it we still have a flow chart shape. Let's say you want to chart with, so you can select different flow chart shape here. So that's what that tool. Then this one is banner shape, and it's call out shape. Want to write call out to say okay, hello, you know, message, so you draw it. So that's what that's over there. Then this one is your banner shape. Banner shape. So what style you want, you can change it here to the shape you want. So basically this shape is used to design your documents. Let's say we add this to this. Let's make use of this. So leave it here. Let's reduce it a little. Leave it here. So let's make it 10% black. Left click. Now I want to make use of this transparency tool. This is a transparency tool. So click. So I want to reduce the opacity, make it faint by reducing it, by increasing it by 50%. So by 50, type your 50 here. Press OK. So you can see, so I've reduced it by 50%. You see, it adds uniqueness to your design. Okay, so then I've used this transparent tool. Now this is your test tool. Let me delete these ones so that the workspace will not be occupied. Okay, this is your test tool. So you want to add text to your document. So basically, let me just add something to my what I'm doing now. Let's add a welcome to class. Okay, come to class. So I'll just drag it to this orange background. Then I'll change the font size to 18 point. Okay, so let's say change to 16 points. Then I'll change the font to Open Sans Condensed. So this is why I'm seeing it here, because I've made use of it before. I've used it before. So just click on it. You can see. So let's increase the font point to 18 points. So that's for the text tool. Then we'll change it to white. So that's it. That's for the text tool. Then this one is parallel dimension, to draw dimensions. So it's used to draw dimensions. You can see. So that's for that too. This one is to connect straight line connector, angular line connector, round right angle connector. So this one is to connect lines together. Let's say we draw a line with this. Draw a line. I want to connect these two lines together. You use your connector. Let's say use a straight line. You hold your left click, you hold your left click and drag to the point you want to connect and leave it. So with that, you connected it. So that's what that tool is meant for. Then this one is to drop shadow. This one is your shadow. So let's say we add shadow to this job we are designing here now. Drag from here. You click. Then you drag. Let's drag from here. Okay, you can drag from anywhere. So I think it's okay here. Release it. So what I did was I put my left click to drag. So you can edit your shadow from your property bar. So basically I will take it to normal. So you can select whatever one you want. So I'm going to choose normal. You can select your color from here, any color you want. So I'm going to choose 100% black. Then the feathering direction, I'll choose middle. Okay, then feather edge, I'll choose square. So you can select anyone from here. You can say inverse square, you can say in linear. So me, I'll choose square. Then I'll decrease the opacity to 30, reduce the opacity to 30. So you can increase the feather and increase the shadow feather, so I'll leave mine as 15. You can type it in, leave mine as 15. So that's for the shadow, as you can see. So that's for the shadow. Then if you look at this arrow here, you look at this shadow, you are seeing arrow there. You're seeing arrow there. So it means there's other tools under this shadow inside. So once you left click, you see other tools. You can see drop shadow, which is this one. You see contour, you see blend, you see distort, you see envelope, you see extrude. So we're going to make use of this contour. So make use of this contour. Basically, this contour is used to add border to your font. Okay, to add border to your font. Either to center border or inside or outside. So I'm going to add contour outside. You can see. So you can change the corner of your contour. You can change the corner, which is this edge. So I want to change mine to round corner. You see. So you can change the color from here. Color of the outline. You can change the color from here, whatever color you want. So I'll leave mine as white color. So you click your, so then what you do is, it's already grouped with the text. So what you want to do now is we are going to group and we'll break it apart. So we'll break contour group apart. You can see breaking it apart. So I'll click my right up and change the font color to orange. See, so it's getting better. Then let's add shadow to our contour. So we're going to add shadow to it. Click, then you drag shadow to it. See, so I'll just normal the way I do it, 100% black to the middle, square, opacity to 30. So see, looking okay. So just to centralize this together, to make sure this everything here is at the middle of this orange shape. So come to align. Basically, this is where you choose your alignment to align. Okay, so I'm going to align with the center horizontally. Okay, so let's say, okay, let me align take it back. So okay, yeah, that's it. So align object center vertically. Okay, so I think that's what I need. So take it back, we're good to go. That's for that tool over there. Then click on that, we have blend tool. So to make it that blend tool, to blend two colors together. So you have two colors here like this. You choose one orange, remove your border. Let me zoom in so I zoom out so you will know. So make this yellow, remove your outline. Then you come here and choose your blend tool. Just left click, hold and drag to this, leave it. So that's how you blend colors together. Then you can change your position, direction of blend, clockwise, counterclockwise, you know. So you can edit them from here. You can edit your blend from here. So if you want more of that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there's more a video on that. So delete this. So then that's for the blend tool. Then distort. To use this, let me draw a rectangular shape and choose this. See this knot here, just hold your left click and just drag your mouse in direction to give you different shape. Okay, let's make use of this shape. Let's make use of this shape. Okay, then reduce a little. Reduce a little. So bring it to our job here like this. So let's add orange color to it. See, it looks unique on your design. Can you to design your project, your jobs? So let's reduce it a little. So you see, that's that over there. So that's for the distort tool. That's what many tools here. So just go through them, and I'm not able to go through all of them. Okay. So this one is a transparent tool that I make use. This one is your color eyedropper to drop color. You pick color and drop. So that's for that. This for that. That's how you use that one. So we just go back to our vision. The same thing. This one is your fountain feed tool. So let's say you want to add, make this two color. So you come here, select your fountain feed. See, because it's white here, it's showing white. So let's say you want to make this one yellow. As you can see, it looks unique. So that's for your fountain feed. So let's make that let's say dark orange. So that's how you make use of your fountain feed. You can change color from here. So you can change your fountain feed to the middle. So this is your property bar. You can play around this property bar to work this out. So then that's your fountain feed. So this is your smart feed tool, just same as this. So this one is just filling color. So whatever color you select, that's the color it will give to you. So that's for that. Ctrl Z. That's for that. So and so that's for all the tools there. So let me just quickly go through this menu bar. Like I said before, my last lesson I explained all this. I explained the menu bar, so I'll just touch few. This under this file is where you create new documents, new templates. You open older file here, then you open recent file here. You close or you save as. So this is where you import, you export, you send, you drop. So that's you save. So you create new document, you close, you import, you export, you send, you publish, you print. No, so that's what this file is meant for. Where this edit is to edit your object, your document, to close, select all, can select all text. No. So view, to change the view of your document, of your workspace. So that's what view is meant for. Layout, to change your page layout, change your page layout. Sorry. You can insert new page, duplicate page, rename page, delete page, go to page. So that's what that one is, what is meant for. Object is your object. You can clip object, you can symbol, transform object, resize, you can group object, you can lock object. So this is where you edit your object. Then this is where you add your effect. This effect can only work on bitmarked image. So whatever that is not bitmarked, effect cannot work on it. So this is where you convert to bitmap. Whatever that is not converted to bitmap, you convert to bitmap, and all these options will be showing to go to function. If that is not bitmarked, these options will not function. So let's say for example, let's take for example, sorry, we'll draw a rectangular shape. Let's make it yellow. Move your outline. Now I can only manipulate this yellow rectangular shape when it is bitmarked. Okay, if I convert it to bitmap. If I have not, I cannot manipulate it. As you can see, nothing is working there. But as soon as I convert it to bitmap, either RGB, grayscale, or CMYK, so I'll leave it at the RGB. You see all the options will show. You see, can image adjustment lab, adjust the color, the temperature, the tint, the saturation, the brightness, the contrast, the highlight, the shadow, the mid tone. So you can manipulate things here. Whatever that is bitmarked, you can manipulate it. So you can add 3D effects, 3D effects to it from this place. So you can blur, from this place. You can do so many things from this place. With this bitmap, you can do so many things. So that's the uniqueness of Corel X7. You can do so many things with this. So then that's for that. And then this is your text. So this is where you edit your text, paragraph frame, align to baseline. This is where you edit your text. So let's say you type something. Let's say type good, and this good is typed with a lowercase. So you want to change this case to uppercase. So you have to click your text. Then you come to your text here. You change case. Change to uppercase, title case. Title case means the first letter will be capital letter. So first letter will be uppercase. So lowercase, sentence case. So change to uppercase. Everything will be uppercase. So that's how you change your text. Then is your table, your tools, your windows, your app. So basically that's all you need to know for now. So that's it. And that is very simple with their unique style. So lastly, I will just drop a thank you message. Sentence, thank you for your time. Okay, and I'll use the points to tape point. Okay, then drag it down a little. So our line is to left. Okay, so it's okay there. Line to the left. So you see, that's it. So I want to appreciate you for your time and for taking the time to watch this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button over there. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Stay tuned.